Welcome to my class. Today's question is 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 over 4 raised to power x equals to 16. Then we have to find the value of x. That is our question. So now let us proceed to solve this question. As you can see, the question I have noted down on the next slide. So here the base is 2, here the base is 4, and here it is 16. So we have to bring them to one base. So 4 can be written as 2 square, and 16 as we know is 2 raised to power 4. So first let me write them. 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 2, that is 4, and whole raised to power x, which is equal to 2 raised to power 4. Now a raised to power m whole raised to power n, as we know, is a raised to power m times n. So we can write this 2 raised to power x raised to power 2, and here we can write 2 raised to power 2 times x, that is 2x, using this formula, and this is also equal to 2 raised to power 4. Now a raised to power m by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. So we will use this, and then we can write it is 2 raised to power x square, here it is 2 raised to power 2x, so that can be written as 2 raised to power x square. This was our m and this is our n, so x square minus 2x, which is equal to 2 raised to power 4. Now we already know if a raised to power m equals to a raised to power n, that means m is equal to n, and we are going to use this formula. So using that formula you can write x square minus 2x equals to 4. Hope till here there is no doubt, and from here we will proceed to next slide and solve there. So this was the result that we got in the previous slide, as you can see here, and now this is a quadratic equation, and we can write it further as minus 4 equal to 0, and here we are going to use the formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this particular case, what is our a, b and c? A is the coefficient of x, which is 1. B is the coefficient, a is the coefficient of x square, which is 1. B is the coefficient of x, that is minus 2, and c is the constant term, that is minus 4. So we are going to plug in all these values in this. So we will get minus of minus 2 plus minus root under b square. B square is minus 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 4 divided by all over, and this is 2a. 2 times a is 1, so 2 times 1. Now this will be minus and minus plus 2 plus minus 2 square is 4 and minus 4 times 4 is 16, so upon 2. Now we can write it further as 2 plus minus root 16 per plus 4 is 20. Now as you can see here, 20 can be written as 20 equals to 2 times 2 times 5. Therefore root 20 is going to be 2 root 5. So we will write 2 plus minus 2 root 5 by 2. Now students, you know that a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. So we can write it as 2 by 2, that is 1, and plus minus 2 root 5 by 2, that is root 5. So our values for x will be, we will get two values. 1 plus root 5 is one value, you can call it x1, and 1 minus root 5 is another value, which we can call x2. So we get the two values of x, and that is our answer. Hope my explanation was clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. If you liked my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next video. Also, I would like to add that we conduct online classes, so you can get in touch with us on this email ID, onlineteacher7@gmail.com. We have a website also, which I am mentioning over here, math.saitutors.in. You can contact us through this website as well. We conduct classes for math, physics, chemistry, all grades, international as well as international grades. So you can contact us on these addresses. Thank you very much once again. See you in the next video.